We're told that a thriving garden requires store-bought solutions, but nature's real secret is already in your home. The cycle of life, death and renewal is happening all around us, often in what we throw away. Today we'll reveal 5 simple ways to turn kitchen scraps into powerful plant elixirs, transforming waste into abundance. Let's start with rice water, the cloudy liquid left after rinsing rice. Instead of pouring it down the drain, use it to feed your soil's microbes. Rice water is rich in carbohydrates, sparking a microbial boom that unlocks nutrients for your plants. This boosts soil structure, aeration, and root growth. The result? Healthier, more resilient plants that can access nutrients already in your soil. Next time you make rice, save that water, dilute and pour it at the base of your plants. It's a simple act that revives your garden's hidden ecosystem. Banana peels are packed with potassium, perfect for flowering and fruiting plants. Chop peels, steep them in water for a few days, and you've got banana peel tea. This gentle infusion delivers potassium, phosphorus and magnesium, fuel for blooms and fruit. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, banana peel water nourishes steadily, supporting strong flowers and flavorful harvests. Pour it at the base of tomatoes, peppers or roses for a natural boost. It's a simple way to turn kitchen waste into a catalyst for abundance. Don't toss those eggshells. They're pure calcium carbonate, vital for plant strength. Crush, boil and steep shells in water. Add a splash of vinegar to help dissolve. The resulting eggshell tea fortifies cell walls, helping plants resist disease and physical stress. It's especially useful for preventing blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. This homemade tea delivers slow-release calcium, building resilience from the roots up. A fragile scrap becomes a source of enduring strength. Used coffee grounds are a nitrogen-rich soil amendment perfect for leafy greens. But moderation is key. Mix grounds into compost or soil, or make a coffee ground tea by steeping in water. This diluted liquid feeds both plants and beneficial microbes, improving soil health. Coffee grounds also gently acidify soil, great for blueberries and hydrangeas. Don't let your morning ritual go to waste, turn it into garden vitality. With intention, coffee grounds become a daily act of cultivation. Molasses isn't just for baking. It's a powerful microbial stimulant for your soil. Dilute a tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses in a gallon of water and drench your soil. The sugars feed soil bacteria and fungi, unlocking nutrients already present. This microbial surge makes minerals like phosphorus and iron more available to plants. Molasses doesn't add nutrients, it unleashes your soil's hidden fertility. It's a simple, natural way to energize your garden's living engine. Sometimes the sweetest solutions are the most effective. The best garden tools aren't bought, they're found in your kitchen. Rice water, banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds and molasses. Each transforms waste into a resource. By feeding your soil, not just your plants, you become a partner with nature, cultivating a thriving ecosystem. Subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more ways to garden in harmony with the world beneath your feet.